Thank you for all the three session moderators, speakers, and all who contributed. We see two small but very powerful contributions here. If somebody would like to leave a mark, you can do that anonymously or write your name there. Otherwise, so far we have done here. This building has really welcomed us starting from the early morning. And at 6 o'clock we depart for the evening part. I really hope to see you all there, so we don't say goodbye yet. But anyway, because not all of us will be there, at least we have some technical team here. And once again, we have a lot of people here in the room which have helped to happen what happened here in the room. So we can grant with the applauses our technical team. And also the LatViaNature project team who cared about us and will do that further on, so we don't leave you on your own. We will meet at 6 o'clock sharp, the first ones already here at the bus stop. If someone still haven't said that you don't go to the excursion and therefore you haven't been at the desktop at the registration, you should do that as well, so that we not call you tomorrow at 7:20 and asking where are you. We miss you. So please do that. Otherwise we meet for the evening part, small degustation, nice concert, educational walk for those who would like to in the darkness. For tomorrow, we don't forecast rain. You never know. It could be, but we hope that not. So probably raincoat, good boots for walking, some water bottle. You don't need anything more. You will be pampered in a very good way. I mean, comforted with good lunch and with good guidance tomorrow. So far we are. Thank you, folks, and meet you at the buses.